This tarantula is being so adorable. I keep having to corral them back into their enclosure. You are so precious. It's okay. You be a good little tarantula. And they have been. They keep going back to this leaf. And it's so adorable. But I think somebody's ready for a cricket. Do you want this, dude? You don't even want the cricket? What? You're just trying to, like, explore? Yo, it's food. Okay. Well, I will try again soon. You are precious. You gotta stay in there, little one. Oop. There we go. What about you over there? Yeah? You want the cricket? Ooh, ooh, ooh. My bad. That was really dumb. Come on, cricket. I'll find that cricket in a minute. Hopefully. Okay, I accidentally picked up two. Yo. There's still crickets. Trying to lure them out with the cricket again. Oh, what? What are you doing? Do you want this? Okay, we will try again soon. I'm not sure if this one is hungry or not. Seems pretty shy right now. You want a cricket? You don't want the cricket? No. Whoops. Very nice. It was just a lid, no problem. You sure? Okay. I guess my pink toes are not feeling food tonight. But I will try again soon.